Changing the language in the Instacart app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings to your preference. Step 1. Open the Instacart app. Launch the Instacart app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu option, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to language settings. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the language option. Tap on it to view the available language options. Step 4. Select your preferred language. Choose your desired language from the list provided. The app may display a preview of how the text will appear in that language. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your preferred language, make sure to save your changes. The app may refresh automatically, or you might need to restart it for the changes to take effect. Now you can enjoy using the Instacart app in your chosen language. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the app's help section.